Good afternoon, everyone. Không được afternoon ổn không? Nó nên afternoon chơi gì nào? Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today, everyone? Okay, everyone. Raise up your hand. Raise up your hand. Your shoulder on your bed. This time no talking, only listen to teacher. This time to study. Okay, everyone. Now, count A until Z. Count A until Z. Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, I want to ask you about what day today, everyone? Today is tôi là không bỏ để ra đi. Phải ơn là 3 camera này, tăng á là 3 camera. Okay. What day today? Today? Who's today? Okay. What is the day? The date is Tuesday. First. Yeah. What month is it? September. Yes. Yeah. What year is it? Everyone. Already about it. Hello, friend. September 2020.
Hello, friend.
Not good. Ngay đến internet ở đáy nó ba mấy teacher sorry muốn đấy. Okay, and I want to ask you, did you study? Everyone?
Coi chưa bây giờ
Mami khơi thử
What
một thơ tự mặc ấy.
unit are you in? Unit
Vàng.
2. Very good.
My five senses. My five senses. My five senses. My five senses. My
Study everyone. Study. What is
nó thôi mưa ấy tiên là bên lên nhỉ.
Hello. Hello everyone.
Coconut tree. Coconut tree. Coconut tree. Coconut tree.
Sao nữa ăn thằng đông mình lên
Let you hear your name, you answer my question. Spell một đấy, sao ấy chùm lại.
These are banana.
Very good.
These are banana.
Yeah, what is Very good. Who hay in that camera? Who hay? What is this? What are these?
trong tới thì họ đòi tới khoai Covid lại vô mà con bè
Okay. Now I show you about lesson origin. Okay. Today I teach you about the type of information. You are cái đó thì sao mà có hộp mùi có hộp nó mới biết ai Ôn lên đáp để chơi nhảy bàn này, ôn lên chơi là hôn chứ mày đáp nhung nhảy bàn.
Nó nó ụp của giật lại mà.
Nên ôn dậy đi hôn để chơi và để nó trai thế nè. Hay ôn của trai mới để chơi bàn này. Tăng sọc án để chơi ở ba camera, ôn đặt bài để chơi up hẹp thế nè, chơi quyền ba camera.
Chơi lại gì?
Okay, everyone, listen to the teacher. Today I teach you about food. Yes, the taste of it so sweet. Can you guess? Đây là teacherរៀនមហោវត្ថុរបស់ហូបមួយវាមានរសជាតិផ្អែមចឹងអូនមានស្ដាប់ឆើលឺអត់បើនិយាយគ្នាស្ដាប់អត់បានអញ្ចឹងធ្វើមកយើទីមកវិញទេបាន
Ôi mẹ kia kìa là ơi chị không
ngày nâng để cho một
chân như kia hả
chưa ai ông mình là ban à
hay là ơn chân kia ngay bật đi á
ai mình sai cái thế
lấy lòng lư 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 lư
mình ra từ trên vậy người ôn ban à Sanita
Giang chị Kha
Quá hên ôn là mình sắp trên vậy ngộ mày
Sen hai với chị Kha
từ trên mình lư từ trên vậy cho mỗi ôn là họ ta ông vậy một người gì đọc về từ trên
Gửi chơi là sai
Hello everyone. What are these everyone?
Candy
Do you like candy?
No
Do you like candy everyone?
Yes
Do you like candy?
No I like candy
Okay, if you like, say yes, I do. If you don't like, say no, I don't.
Okay
Right. Now you look at one candy. One candy, many candy, a lot of candy.
Many candy
Now a lot like that. These are candy. Candy. Ready? C and D Okay. Take out more and marker right down the candy. Take out your board and marker right down the word candy.
Tôi nè. Má tôi nè xe trong cái
Ở tiết cho mình ban lo một lịch ở tiết này. Already or not yet, everyone? If you already, raise up your hand, please. I let you write the word candy. Teacher, I want to say pick candy, né? Already, raise up your board. Candy spell C A
N
E
S
candy. Very good. The word candy start from letter C. The sound of letter C. Very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Already, everyone, raise up your board, please. Candy spell E A N D I E S. Candy. Yes, so much, but I want to check. Okay, everyone. Already or not yet? If you already, raise up your board, please. Okay. Raise up your board. Candy spell C
Candy.
Yes, thank you so much. Candy C A N D I E S. Candies. Very good. Candies. These are candies. These are candies. Very good. These are candies. Very good. Clap your hand, please, everyone. Yes, thank you so much. Candy spell C A N D I E S. Thank you so much. Now you look about your worksheet, your homework. Yes, about candy. The picture candy. Candies. Candy spell C A N D I E S. Candies. Candies. Yeah, very good. The word candy start from letter C. Yeah. The sound of letter C. Very good. Clap your hands, please, everyone. Thank you so much. Okay. So, your homework, you color the picture candies and write the word candy. Yes, candy.
Okay. I got it.
Yes.
I got it.
Candies.
Candies.
Candy.
These are candies.
Very good. Thank you so much. So now I want to check your photo.
Mà thời số
Khơi đưa để cho một lại. So you look all together. Which book do you study? Study the
Town 2.
yes.
I study to doctor too.
This text is study already. Already. Yes. So already. Now I let you look about page 19. Yes, you look all together. What can you see? What can you see?
See cookies, lime, cookies, lime,
Yes.
candies, egg,
Candy and egg.
lime,
Yes,
candy,
very
egg.
good. So this column you use the picture candy, and this column you use the picture egg. So I ask you, is it sweet? Is it sweet cookie? Is it sweet?
Yes, it
Don't
is.
say
Yes, it is. Yes,
When
it
I
is.
ask you, is it sweet? Lime, is it
No, it isn't.
Say no, it isn't. Yeah. Egg is it sweet? You say no, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Egg, no, it isn't. But I ask you, candy, is it sweet? You say yes, it is. Yeah, very good. So you look all together. This column candy, this column egg. Yeah, candy. Oh, sorry, cookie, lime, candy, egg.
Lime, candy, egg.
Thank you so much. Clap your hand, please, everyone. And I want to tell you about today you study with foreigner teacher. Ôn hiền mũi chờ bọt tới mong bay cái lá bong buôn cái lá nè. Complete nè.
Màu bay
Các ôn hiền mũi chờ bọt tới mong bay sam sắp mong buôn sai sắp. Chẳng cho tí thể chớ mong bay cái lá ôn chô xuống mũi quát qua cái lẽ linh nào. Okay, everyone.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
Okay. You got it?
Okay. Yes, I got it.
Thank you so much. Okay, don't forget color the picture candy and spell the word candy. Candy spell C-A-N-D-I-E-H. Okay, I want to say, I want to say goodbye everyone and good luck everyone. I'm sorry about internet, about Wi-Fi doesn't work today. Not good today. Thank you so much. Goodbye everyone and good luck everyone. Thank you. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Bye.